So, pang-testingan ng kamerahan ni kung okay ba ni siya. Kay murag para sa ako mas nindot ni siya 5 kg sa baratahon lang ba. So, libot na dali sa park. Pagtanawon diri sa park guys. So, shout out diya sa mga subscriber sa YouTube. Bisag gamay ra mo, please na So, daghang salamat kayo sa inyong pag-subscribe o pag-views sa mga video na akong nag-ride sa scooter. So, kaya ito na. Bisag ngit-ngit kayo siya pero okay kayo ang quality. Diba? It's okay, no problem. Just try my... No, it's okay. No problem. It's a trial. It's okay. It's also part of the video.
Which one? This is the GoPro or which one?
No, not a GoPro. That a local one.
I have DJ.
Yeah, but it's good. I'll try it. So this one, see.
This is if you roaming here, no problem. Right? Nobody asks why you make like this.
No problem. It's okay. As long as if this is no, it's a problem. So no, don't
Yeah.
make it a video.
We make all.
Yeah. It's
Okay. Well, there is people and make video.
yeah. I'll try this one because I have my scooter.
Yeah.
So I have here. I have on the front also.
Traveling.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm here at the back.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, here.
I
Okay.
love also vlogging, but I can't go. I go only Friday, Saturday outside.
Okay. Now I'll try outside because I'm always in the room.
Ah.
Every time I've done work from afternoon, just only stay in the work. Okay, bye. Just only around. I'll try this one. Is a new one,
Ah,
so that's why I'll try. Thank you, brother.
good.